Hi everybody, in this video we will walk you through the steps to cancel your Opera VPN subscription. Whether you no longer need the service or simply want to switch to another VPN provider, this guide will make the process clear and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your Opera browser on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, click on the menu button. On Windows, this button is located at the top left corner of the screen and looks like the Opera logo. If you are using a Mac, you will find it in the top menu bar. From the menu, select Settings if you're on Windows or Preferences if you're using a Mac. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. This section contains all the settings related to your privacy and online security. Scroll down until you find the VPN option. Click on it to open the VPN settings. Here, you can see whether the VPN is enabled and other related options. If you are using Opera VPN Pro, which is a paid service, you will need to manage your subscription through the platform where you initially purchased it. If you subscribe through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, open the respective store on your device. If you signed up through Opera's website, you will need to log in to your Opera account. Go to the Opera website and click on the profile icon. Enter your login details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings and locate the subscription section. Find your Opera VPN Pro subscription and click on Cancel Subscription. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once you have successfully canceled your subscription, you may still have access to the service until the end of your billing period. After that, your account will no longer be charged. To double-check the status of your subscription, you can revisit the subscription page or check your email for a cancellation confirmation. It is also a good idea to remove any saved payment methods if you no longer plan to use the service. I would recommend you to use NordVPN instead of Opera. NordVPN offers a wide range of features designed to enhance online security, privacy, and performance. It provides military-grade encryption to safeguard data, along with a strict no-logs policy that ensures user activity is never tracked or stored. With over 7,000 servers in 100-plus countries, NordVPN supports fast and reliable connections, enabling users to bypass geo-restrictions and access content worldwide. It offers a kill switch to prevent data leaks if the connection drops. Its user-friendly interface and compatibility with various platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, make it an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced users. Here are the subscription plans of NordVPN. Since NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can basically sign up and use it for free and just get a refund before the 30 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started right away.